timer to start clicking away. There we go. Now we got it. All right, this is your study guide for Module 8 for your science class. Let's go over these definitions. Here we go. What is an index fossil? Fossils that are assumed to represent a certain period in Earth's past. Usually that index fossil, it's found in particular rock layers all over the Earth. That's why they call it an index fossil. Next one, geological column. This is a theoretical picture in which layers of rock from around the world are meshed together into a single unbroken record of the Earth's past. Sometimes this is known as the geological record. Sometimes it's called the fossil record. Here we go. The theory of evolution. A theory stating that all life on this earth has one or a few common ancestors that existed a long time ago. Evolved. This is the process of something undergoing gradual change or development. Fossil graveyards. These are large groups of different fossils found in beds of sedimentary rock. Red tide. This is a phenomenon in which kills massive numbers of fish when they occur. It's a special type of, if I'm not mistaken, it's a special type of algae that forms. Number 1. How are index fossils used by uniformitarian geologists? Index fossils are used by uniformitarian geologists to determine what time period a layer of rock represents. Is it possible to go somewhere in the world and see all major layers of the geological column and its fossils in one geological formation? No. The geological column is not something that exists somewhere in the world. It is constructed based on uniformitarian assumptions. Number 3. According to the uniformitarian view, which creatures lived on Earth first, trilobites or fish? Since trilobites are lower on the geological column, uniformitarians assume trilobites existed on the Earth before fish. A geological formation with only 2 layers of rock is studied. One has fossils of mammals only. The other has fossils of fish only. According to the uniformitarian assumption, which layer would be on the bottom and which would be on the top? According to the geological column, fish came before mammals. This means the layer with only fish must be older, an older layer. The layer of the fish should be on the bottom, and the layer with the mammals should be on top. Number 5. Why is the geological column considered evidence for evolution? The geological column is viewed as evidence because it indicates that early in Earth's history there were only simple life forms. As time went on, the geological column indicates that more and more complex life forms started to appear. Number 6. What does the data from Mount St. Helens tell us about the time it takes to form stratified rock? The data from Mount St. Helens indicates that stratified rock can form rapidly. Number 7. Why does the fossil record offer no evidence for evolution? The fossil record contains no fossils that are undeniable intermediate links. Number 8. Why does the fossil record offer evidence for the idea that God created each plant and animal individually? The fossil record contains no fossils that are undeniable intermediate links. This is exactly what you would expect if God created each plant and animal individually. So, here's what you need to do. Make sure that you review all those worksheets with questions on them. There are 4 of them. Review all the worksheets over the DVDs. There are 2 sheets, she says. Review Figure 8 and understand how this works. Review Figure 8.2. Understand the concept of the geological column and how it works. Review Figure 8.6. How a canyon can be formed in a day. And the canyon forms first, then the river. Review your notes. This test will consist of a few multiple choice, but most will be short answer questions and references made to Figure 8.1 and 8.2, as well as a few questions from the DVDs. Make sure you understand the concepts. There you go. That's the whole study sheet in 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Hope this helps.